So, question number 2, what is 0.28 as a fraction of 0.8? Well, I suppose you could answer this in a few different ways, and you're basically trying to convert what 0.28 would be, as a fraction of 0.8, and this is how I would do it. So for me, I want to see, okay, how is 0.8 related to 0.28? How can I get a part of that or a tenth of that to go into 0.28? So I'd say, okay, well, what is 10% or a tenth of 0.8? Well, it's 0.08. So a tenth of 0.8 is 0.08. Okay, well, that 8 doesn't go into 28. Well, what about 4? And that's going to be half of it, which is effectively going to be 1/20th or 5%. So the next line I would have is, okay, let's halve it. What's 1/20th of 0.8? Because we've just halved it because half of 1/10 is 1/20th. So we know 1/20th of 0.8 is 0.04. Okay, 0.04 definitely goes into 0.28 because 4 goes into 28. Well, how many times does that go in there? It'd be 4, 8, 12, 16, and all the way up to 7, because 7 times 4 is 28. So on the next line, I would times both sides by 7, because we've established 1/20th of 0.8 is 0.04. So we're just going to say 1/20th is 0.04 times both sides by 7. So we'll have 7/20ths is equal to 0.28. And that's how I would do it. There's probably other ways and methods. I realize I've probably done that quite quickly, but that's just because that's how I would approach it. If you have any questions, how else you could approach it, or, anything at all, just leave it down below. I'll do my best to try and get back to you. I do hope this helped. Best of luck with your maths, and thanks for watching.